Hi, to add another email account on your Samsung Galaxy S25, firstly, find and open app you are using for your emails. It could be Gmail or Outlook. In my case, it is Gmail, so I'm gonna open it. And right now, you can see this option add another email address. So tap here, find email. I'm gonna tap on Google. Now verify your identity by scanning fingerprint or use pattern or enter PIN code like that. And now you need to sign in. So enter your email or phone number, then tap next and enter your password. If you forgot your email, then tap this option and follow on-screen instructions. And if you don't have email, then tap here to create account and also follow on-screen instructions. But I'm gonna sign in, so let me just do it quickly and get back to you. After you signed in, you would see there's Google Terms of Service to which you need to agree as usual. So tap I agree button and then wait a few seconds. And if you want to, you can add this recovery information such as your phone number or your recovery email, or you can cancel it. And that's it. Now we just added this Google account because we can see this status you're signed in and our email address. And that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.